How to log in to Hotmail account. So to log into your Hotmail account, first make sure you have a stable internet connection, and after that open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and on the search bar search for Hotmail. Now click on the first search. To log in, on the upper right corner you will have sign in option. Click on sign in, and first you have to enter your email address, but if you don't have an account then you can click on create one and then you can create your account. But if you have an account, or if you want to log into your account, then first enter your email address, and after entering that click on next. And on the next step you have to enter your password, but if you forgot your password then you can click on forgot password and then you can reset your password. Or you can also click on email code to your email so that you will receive a code to your email, and after entering that code you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then enter your password and then click on sign in, and now click on S. And that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.